Subscribe and click on the bell icon to be the first to watch the latest videos. Hello friends, today we will learn how to make turmeric water. Turmeric water helps in weight loss, getting glowing skin, prevent constipation and also boost our immunity. And also we will see the recipe of turmeric water. Turmeric water is more effective if we have it on empty stomach in the morning. Turmeric water is actually a detox drink and helps flush out toxins out of our body. Our body needs detoxification in order to be free from diseases. When we want to get a glowing skin, we normally use different cosmetic products which can only help us look good from outer side. As long as we don't clean our body from inside, we cannot get glowing skin we desire. Turmeric water is the best solution to all these problems. It also helps us to lose weight as it aids in digestion and also burns fat, which helps us lose weight. Now let us try to make turmeric water with a simple recipe. Take 1 cup of water in a pan and bring it to boil. Now take another cup and add a teaspoon of organic turmeric powder and also 1 teaspoon of lemon, which helps in boosting our immunity, and also add some honey to sweeten the drink. Now add boiled water to the cup and give it a good stir and consume it when it's lukewarm. Having turmeric water on empty stomach every day can help you improve your health. Thanks for watching this video.